Summer, summer, summertime. Time. Oh my god. Okay, we need to keep this singing for the shower. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the latest collection from Sally Hansen, and it is their Neons collection. Now this collection has 6 pieces, 1 white shade as a base color to make the colors pop, and then of course all 6 shades are from that Miracle Gel line, so it will also come with the Miracle Gel top coat. So if you're new to the Miracle Gel line, the Miracle Gel formula actually has more of a gel-like formula. So you're getting that shine and getting a similar longevity that gel nail polish gives, but you don't need an LED or UV lamp to cure the nail polish. It dries like regular. So these shades are super perfect for summer. They are bright, they are luscious, they're giving us some variety. There's a little bit of shimmer, there's pearl finish, there's a cream in there as well. So let's just dive right in and get into these swatches. So the Miracle Gel system is a 2-part system. Step 1, you apply your layers of color. Step 2, you apply the Miracle Gel top coat. Sally Hansen recommends applying their white base color underneath, and it's called Get Mod, and this will help to make the colors really pop and provide the best result. In this video, I will be showing the swatches using the white base, and then at the end, I'll show you how these colors look without it. All right, let's go. First up, we have Electri-lime, and this is a pastel light green. It's got a cream formula and it dries down to a satin finish. So this one applies quite sheer, so you will need about 3 coats. To me, this one leans a little bit more pastel than neon, and it's an absolutely gorgeous shade of green. It builds up really well in color, and the results look the same with or without the white base polish. Next is Fluores-pink, and this is described to be a neon pink. It has a subtle royal blue micro shimmer that runs throughout, and it leaves us with a gorgeous pearl satin finish. The formula is sheer, and it builds up nicely in color. I would say that this shade is the most neon out of the collection. Not as neon as I would like, but definitely fits under that umbrella. It's a gorgeous shade. I generally don't love pearlescent polishes, but I must say that this one is definitely an exception. Next is Chill Out, and this is described to be a neon teal. However, I would say it leans a little bit more aqua blue. It has a green gold shimmer that runs throughout, and it has a very sheer formula. The shimmer is absolutely stunning, as you can see here, and it's giving me mermaid vibes, ocean vibes, and even though it's very sheer, it does build nicely in color. Next is Squeeze the Day, and this is described to be a neon orange. It does lean more peachy. This one has a green gold shimmer in it as well. It has a very sheer formula. I would say this shade is also one of the most neon of this collection, especially when it's layered over the white base. Also, be careful when applying your colored layers over the white base if you choose to use it. I recommend gently swiping the brush over the nail rather than dragging it, because dragging it can actually run the risk of lifting the white base polish and creating empty spots or bald spots on the nail in the final look. Next is Sunshine On, which is a perfect name for this polish, and it's described to be a neon yellow. It has a green gold micro shimmer as well, and it does give us a pearl satin finish. The formula is sheer, and it does give a decent build in color. Last but certainly not least is Feelin Grape. And this is described to be a neon purple. This one has a jelly formula. It is quite sheer and it does dry down very satin, almost no shine here. I'm not feeling the neon so much in this one. It feels more of a bright purple, but it is a gorgeous shade and definitely reminds me of a grape popsicle in the summer. So all of these shades do dry down satin, so you will need to apply the Miracle Gel, a shiny top coat to give it some extra shine. And as shown here, without the white base polish, the colors are a little bit more diluted, a little bit muted in comparison, but I do really like the results either way. You can still see the nail line, and that's with 3 coats. So the white base definitely helps to conceal that. Another thing is I don't really love that these polishes need a white base to really make the colors pop. I'd prefer if the colors just pop on their own. I just personally like to keep things as simple as possible. That said, it wouldn't be a deal breaker for me. Another thing is the colors aren't really feeling so neon. They're definitely bright, but I wouldn't say necessarily neon for some of them. I am liking the color selection, so I will be reaching for these this summer for sure. However, I find the formula a little bit too sheer, so I will be wearing the Get Mod white base underneath. All right, so welcome back. Which one was your favorite from the collection? Let me know in the comment section below. So as you can see, I did a little bit of a Skittle Mani where I tried all of the shades from the collection on each finger, and I'm feeling it. Would I wear it every day? Probably not, but it was kind of fun just to try out. So my favorites would definitely have to be Fluores-pink, which I felt like this one was closest to neon. Really great for manicures, pedicures, an all around beautiful color for summer. I would also have to pick Squeeze the Day, which was that orange shimmery polish. It has a really great pop of color as well as being a little bit more neutral. Now you can wear these with or without the white nail polish as the base, but I do find that without that white base, the shades are a little bit more muted, and when you have that white base underneath, sometimes it kind of peeks out under the color, which I don't love, but it does bring a little bit more brightness to the color. So Sally Hansen actually released a neons collection back in 2019. I did do a swatch and review on that. If you want to click the link, I will link that for you. And those neons were actually more on the pastel side. They were cream finishes compared to this year's collection, which had more sheer shades. I would have to say I like this year's collection a little bit more than 2019's version. I feel like the colors were a little bit more punchier, a little bit closer to neon, if I have to say. And the 2019 collection would be more comparable to maybe a spring collection because of those pastels. The other thing is the neons from 2019 were a limited edition collection, so they were only available for that summer, whereas this year's collection is now going to be part of their permanent roster of nail polish, so they won't disappear after the summer. And I also happened to see 2019's neons in store as well. I'm not sure if those are going to be limited edition again for this year, but you may just spot them on the shelves when you're shopping. Don't forget to let me know which shade was your favorite in the comment section below, and if you did get a chance to try any of the shades from the 2019 neons, let me know if you prefer that collection or if you like this one more. They also included this super cute bracelet. It's giving camp vibes, and it held the nail polishes in there, and I just thought there was like really cute, very nice packaging and presentation. Anyways guys, that's it for the Sally Hansen Neons collection. If you're new here, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and go ahead and leave a thumbs up on this video if you did find it helpful. And as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!